The air pressure inside a football can completely change its speed and bounce, which is why professional match balls are produced with precise measurements. The very first footballs were made by stitching together pieces of leather, and when it rained, they absorbed water and became much heavier, making headers more difficult for players. The classic black and white football design we know today became popular because it was easier to see on television broadcasts. Most professional footballs are made with 32 panels to help the ball move more smoothly and accurately during play. When struck correctly, a football can even curve through the air, creating the famous banana shot effect caused by the ball's spin interacting with airflow. Special footballs created for the FIFA World Cup are redesigned for every tournament with new technology and unique styles. An average professional football weighs around 430 grams, yet during a match it can travel incredible distances across the field. Footballs were once brown, but white balls became common as night matches grew more popular. Some modern footballs now contain motion sensors that can analyze shot speed and the exact point of contact, while the fastest recorded shots in football history have reached speeds close to 200 kilometers per hour.
you.